Hello everyone, it's me Roshan Shrestha and welcome to Crazy Geeks. Today we'll be talking about the installation of Android Studio for Android app development. If you are planning to jump into the scenario of Android app development, then this particular IDE, Android Studio, is the mandatory one. Now let's begin the process of downloading it. Android Studio download. Download Android Studio and SDK tools. Here, download Android Studio, select this option, then check I read and agree, then download Android Studio for Windows. Here it will take quite some time depending upon the connectivity. Soon after the completion of the setup file, double click it or normally run it. It will be something like this one. Normal selecting components. ABD is also selected. You can change the folder location, but I'm going to leave it unchanged in our case. Next, I don't need to select do not create shortcuts. Now this will take quite some time, not much longer time. It's like the installation of any of the normal software. But before installing this particular Android Studio, you need to make sure that you have got required amount of free space at hand. What is this? I'm going to cancel it because I've double pressed the setup file. You don't need to double press time and again. Now installation is complete. It's displaying the completed information. I will be normally pressing next. Now we are going to start Android Studio. Awesome. Now it's opening up. Finding available SDK software development kits components. Now normally next for you can either offer standard or custom. Standard is recommended for almost all users, so we are going to select that. You can choose any of the user interface theme, Dracula or Light. I am opting for Light this time around. Next. Now this is how you install Android Studio. It's pretty much easier one. Normally fresh finish. This particular downloading components will take considerable amount of time. So make sure to wait for downloading components. Now start new Android Studio project. Select the platform and activity. Next, provide the application name, package name, location, selection of the language between Kotlin and Java, minimum API level, and finish. Loading project. This is how you install Android Studio. Now after the installation, you will be provided with something like this one. Here make sure to open ABD Manager, Android Partial Device Manager, and opt for create partial device. Then you can select among these devices which will be required in order to run your application. After completion of this, the partial device or available devices will be populated here, and you can select any of these for further implementation. Okay guys, this is how you install Android Studio. I hope this one was helpful regarding the installation process. I'll be catching you guys on the next video with some more interesting stuff. And in the meantime, might sound like a cliche, but please do not forget to like, share and subscribe this particular channel, Crazy Geeks. I'll be catching you guys next time around. Have a good time ahead. Thank you.